The Apple Vision Pro is one of the biggest technological leaps in history, but at $3,500, most people will find it difficult to get their hands on one. This may sound like an oversight on Apple's part, but this is actually a genius move. A decision that is a small piece of a much bigger strategy that has allowed the company to become so dominant and outperform all their competitors. A strategy that Apple has been using on you this whole time.
I got monetized within a couple weeks from 0 subscribers by publishing this video teaching people how to improve their YouTube shorts. Since then, that video has earned me $2,000 and almost 15,000 subscribers. This YouTuber started his long-form channel 4 months ago and has already racked up 2 million views doing the same exact thing, teaching people how he created successful shorts. He pulls in $2K a month from his shorts channel and at least $1.8K from his long-form channel. Noticing a trend? Both of us are leveraging our shorts channels for money. However, my channel isn't even close to being in the shorts partner program.